If your electric rear ramp cannot be closed after opening, you can release it manually. Take the black and orange knurled screw from its holder inside the vehicle. Screw it into the opening on the ramp's lifting cylinder and tighten it securely. Remove the metal cotter pin on the opposite side, then gently pull out the knurled screw. Please note, a small spacer washer may fall out. The lifting cylinder is now released. Carefully fold it upward into the vehicle and make sure not to damage the cable. Secure the retaining bolt again with the cotter pin and place both parts inside the vehicle. You can now fold the rear ramp up manually using the handle. Important: before closing the tailgate, secure the ramp inside the vehicle with a strap or similar device. This prevents the ramp from falling down and causing damage. Close the tailgate and contact a workshop or the Paravan service team as soon as possible.